What if everyday spending could actually pay you back hundreds, or even thousands of dollars every year? Credit card money bag. Most people use credit cards the wrong way, and leave free money on the table. Show animation of money slipping away, then switching to cashback flowing in. Credit cards are not just for spending. When used correctly, they can become a powerful tool to earn rewards, cashback, and travel benefits. In this video, discover smart credit card hacks that can help maximize rewards without increasing spending. These strategies are simple, practical, and used by many savvy consumers across the United States. Stay until the end to learn how small changes in spending habits can lead to big financial rewards over time. Show visual of rewards points turning into cash. Section 1. Choose the right rewards card. Not all credit cards are the same. Some offer cashback. Others offer travel points or miles. Show comparison of different card types. Choose a card that matches spending habits. Groceries cashback cards. Travel airline or travel cards. Everyday spending flat rate rewards cards. Using the right card can increase rewards significantly without extra effort. Show cashback percentage increasing. Section 2. Use categories to maximize rewards. Many cards offer bonus categories. For example, 3% on groceries, 2% on gas, 5% on rotating categories. Show grocery cart with cashback icons. Using the correct card for each purchase can multiply rewards. A simple switch can turn 1% cashback into 3% or even 5%. Section 3. Always pay the full balance. Interest charges can quickly cancel out any rewards earned. Show credit card balance growing with interest. The smartest strategy is simple. Pay the full balance every month. This ensures rewards stay as profit instead of being lost to interest. Show balance going to zero. Section 4. Take advantage of sign-up bonuses. Many credit cards offer welcome bonuses. For example, spend $1,000 in the first 3 months, earn $200 bonus. Show bonus reward popping up. These bonuses are one of the fastest ways to earn rewards. But spending should always stay within budget. Section 5. Stack rewards with everyday spending. Everyday expenses can generate rewards. Groceries, gas, subscriptions, utility bills. Show recurring payments generating cashback. Instead of paying with cash or debit, using a rewards card can turn normal spending into income. Over time, this adds up significantly. Section 6. Use points strategically. Not all reward redemptions are equal. Show points converting into travel versus cash. Points are often worth more when used for travel bookings, flights, hotel stays. Using points wisely can increase their value. Section 7. Combine multiple cards. Using one card limits rewards. Using multiple cards strategically increases earnings. Show multiple cards connecting to different categories. Example: Card 1 groceries, Card 2 gas, Card 3 travel. This method maximizes rewards across all spending categories. Section 8. Automate payments and track spending. Missing payments can lead to fees and lower credit scores. Show notification, payment due. Set up automatic payments to avoid mistakes. Also track spending to ensure rewards are being optimized. Show budgeting app dashboard, bonus tips. Tip 1. Avoid unnecessary spending. Rewards are only valuable when spending stays controlled. Show warning icon over unnecessary purchases. Tip 2. Monitor credit score. A higher credit score helps unlock better rewards cards. Show credit score meter rising. Tip 3. Watch annual fees. Some cards charge fees, so make sure the rewards outweigh the cost. Show fee versus reward comparison. Tip 4. Redeem rewards regularly. Unused points can lose value over time. Show points expiring. When used correctly, Credit cards are not a debt trap. They can become a powerful financial tool that turns everyday spending into consistent rewards and long-term savings. And once these strategies are used consistently, something interesting starts to happen. Show monthly rewards counter slowly increasing. At first, the rewards may seem small. Maybe $5 here, $10 there, $20 cash back from groceries. But over time, those small rewards begin to add up. Show coins stacking into larger piles. For example, if monthly spending is $1,500 and the average cashback rate is 2%, that's about $30 per month. Over 1 year, that becomes $360. Now add sign-up bonus $200. Category bonuses $150. Travel rewards $300 plus. Total potential rewards can easily cross $1,000 per year. Show yearly total increasing past $1,000. And that's without increasing spending at all. Another important concept is timing purchases strategically. Show calendar highlighting bonus periods. Many cards offer limited time promotions like 5% cashback on certain categories, extra points during holidays, seasonal bonus offers. Planning purchases during these periods can boost rewards significantly. Also, some people unlock even more value by using reward stacking. Show layers stacking, credit card plus cashback app plus coupon. This means combining credit card rewards, store discounts, cashback apps, coupons. For example, a purchase could earn 5% cashback from the card, plus 10% store discount, plus additional cashback from an app. Show total savings increasing. This dramatically increases the total return on everyday spending. Over time, these strategies turn credit cards into something very different. Not just a payment method, but a tool that quietly generates value in the background. Show passive rewards flowing into account. And for many people, this leads to free flights, hotel stays, cashback savings, lower overall expenses. All for money that was going to be spent anyway. The key is not spending more. The key is spending smarter. Show smart versus careless spending comparison. Because when every dollar works harder, even small purchases begin to create meaningful rewards. And over months and years, those rewards can grow into hundreds or even thousands of dollars in value, and in the end, the real power of credit cards is not in spending. It's in how they are used strategically. Show credit card transforming into a money-generating tool. Most people swipe their card and forget about it. But smart users turn every purchase into an opportunity. Groceries become cashback. Bills become reward points. Travel becomes free or heavily discounted. Show everyday purchases turning into rewards. Over time, this simple shift in mindset creates a big difference. Because instead of losing money on everyday expenses, those same expenses start giving something back. Show rewards flowing back into wallet. But one rule always stays important. Credit cards should always be used with control and discipline. No unnecessary spending. No missed payments. No high-interest debt. Show warning icons fading away. When used correctly, rewards stay as profit, not cost. And that's what separates average users from smart users. Show comparison, normal spending versus optimized rewards. Because the goal is not just to spend money. The goal is to make every dollar work harder. Show dollar turning into multiple coins. And when that happens consistently, even simple daily purchases can turn into extra savings, travel opportunities, financial advantages. All without changing income. Show final scene, rewards stacking into a large total. In the long run, it's not about how much is spent. It's about how intelligently it's managed. Because small smart decisions, repeated over time, can lead to powerful financial results. In the end, the difference comes down to one simple idea. Most people use credit cards to spend. Smart users use them to earn. Show split screen, careless spending versus reward earning. Every swipe has two outcomes. Either money goes out, or value comes back. And over time, those small returns start to build. Show small cashback turning into large savings. It might start with just a few dollars in rewards. But month after month, year after year, those rewards grow into something meaningful. Extra cash in your account. Free travel experiences. Reduced everyday expenses. Show travel scenes, cashback deposits, savings growth. But none of this works without discipline. The real strategy is simple. Spend only what is already planned. Pay the full balance on time. Choose the right cards for the right purchases. Show checklist completing. When these habits become consistent, credit cards stop being a liability and start becoming a financial advantage. Show card transforming into money stream. Because at the end of the day, it's not about having more money. It's about using what's already being spent in a smarter way. Show final upward financial graph. And that's how everyday spending can quietly turn into long-term rewards, savings, and financial growth.